Hi there, my name is Carter Sigler. I've been with NTC since August of 2017, and I am in the IT Computer Support Specialist program. My favorite hobbies or things I like to do is I like to watch sports, I like to play video games sometimes, and most importantly, I like to work on computers. Um, my prior experience with computers is I worked at a non-profit organization, actually twice. One just for work experience um, at Eastern Iowa Community Action. So what I did there is I, I reloaded operating systems on computers. I troubleshooted different things, and I also got computers ready for to give away to people in need. And I also did that once again when I had an internship here, here at NTC. So that was a great pleasure of mine. I live in Bluegrass, Iowa, about 5 or 6 hours away from NTC. One thing you should also might want to know about me, I do have cerebral palsy, so I am bound to a wheelchair, but I don't let that stop me from doing what I need to do. There's always obstacles because there's physically things that I can't do because obviously I'm in a wheelchair, so I have to be able to adapt with different things, but usually I'm able to do so. So I look forward to having a great semester, and this is the fall semester of 2019, and I also do plan on graduating in December, so I plan on graduating and then hopefully finding a job in my career field and hopefully moving out and being independent. So I hope everyone has a great fall semester and everyone is successful. Thank you very much.